Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Julia. Thanks for joining us. Whether you're listening at home, on the bus, at school, or maybe while drinking a nice cup of coffee.
Today, we have a fantastic topic that so many English learners ask about. How can you learn English quickly in 2026?
Oh, yes. If you're thinking, I want to improve my English faster, then this episode is definitely for you.
We'll share simple tips, useful practice ideas, and easy habits that can help you become more confident in English every day.
So relax, get comfortable, and let's learn English together. It's going to be fun.
Let's get started. So, Julia, today's topic is something that almost every English learner wants to know. How can you learn English quickly in 2026?
That's right. I see this question everywhere. People ask, how can I become fluent faster? Or, what's the secret to learning English quickly?
And honestly, that's a great question. Many learners think they need years and years to speak English well. But the good news is that you can make progress much faster when you use the right methods.
Exactly. In 2026, learners have more opportunities than ever before. We have podcasts, videos, language apps, online communities, and even AI tools that can help us practice English anytime.
Wow, that's true. Learning English today is very different from the past. You don't need a big classroom or expensive courses to start improving.
But here's something important. Learning quickly doesn't mean learning magically. It still takes practice, patience, and consistency.
Absolutely. In this episode, we'll share simple and practical ways to improve your English faster, build confidence, and enjoy the learning process.
So stay with us, everyone. You might discover a few ideas that can completely change the way you learn English.
Let's jump into a real-life situation and see how this works in everyday life. Let's imagine a learner named Ahmed. Ahmed is very motivated to learn English, but he has a problem.
Oh, really? What's happening?
Well, Ahmed studies English for 1 hour every day. He learns grammar rules, memorizes vocabulary, and reads short lessons. But after several months, he still feels nervous when speaking English.
Wow, that sounds familiar. I think many of our listeners have felt the same way.
Exactly. Ahmed starts asking himself, why am I not improving faster? Am I doing something wrong?
That's a common question. Many learners spend a lot of time studying English, but they don't always practice using it in real situations.
One day, Ahmed decides to change his approach. Instead of only studying from books, he starts listening to English podcasts, speaking out loud every day, and thinking in English during simple, daily activities.
Haha, that's smart. Small changes can make a big difference.
And little by little, Ahmed becomes more confident. He understands more English, remembers more words, and feels comfortable speaking.
So today we're going to talk about the kinds of changes Ahmed made and how you can use the same ideas to learn English more quickly in 2026.
Let's explore some practical tips that can help every English learner move forward faster. So, Julia, let's talk about some practical ways to learn English quickly in 2026. If someone asked you for just one piece of advice, what would you say?
I would say speak English every day, even if it's only for 5 or 10 minutes.
Really? Only 5 or 10 minutes?
Absolutely. Many learners wait until they feel perfect before they start speaking, but that's the wrong way. Speaking is how you learn to speak.
That's so true. You don't learn swimming by reading about swimming. You learn by getting into the water.
Exactly. And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
I agree. In fact, every mistake teaches you something new. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
What about listening? Do you think listening is important?
Oh, definitely. Listening is one of the fastest ways to improve English. When you listen to podcasts, videos, and conversations, your brain starts getting used to natural English.
That's a great point. And the good thing is that learners can listen almost anywhere, while walking, exercising, traveling, or relaxing at home.
Exactly. Even 15 minutes of listening every day can help improve pronunciation, vocabulary, and understanding.
You know, another powerful tip is to think in English.
Ah, yes. Many learners translate everything from their native language first.
Right. But when you start thinking directly in English, your speaking becomes faster and more natural.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Let's say you're making tea. Instead of thinking in your native language, think in English. I'm making tea. The water is hot. I need a cup. Simple thoughts like these help train your brain.
Wow, that's such an easy habit to start today.
And here's another tip that's becoming very popular in 2026. Using AI tools for English practice.
Oh, really? Tell us more.
Well, AI tools can help learners practice conversations, learn new vocabulary, check grammar, and even improve pronunciation. It's like having a study partner available anytime.
That's amazing. Technology has made language learning much more accessible.
Yes, but there's one thing technology can't do for you.
What's that?
It can't create consistency. Only you can do that.
Haha, that's true. No app, no teacher, and no AI can help if you never practice.
Exactly. Learning English quickly isn't about studying for 5 hours one day and then stopping for a week.
It's about building a daily habit. Even 20 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week.
Small steps every day create big results over time.
So let's recap. Speak English daily, listen regularly, think in English, use modern learning tools, and most importantly, stay consistent.
If you follow these habits, you'll be surprised by how much progress you can make in 2026.
And remember, every sentence you speak is one step closer to fluency. All right, everyone. Now let's look at some important vocabulary from today's lesson.
Yes! These words will help you understand and speak English more naturally.
First word, consistency.
Consistency means doing something regularly, again and again, without stopping.
For example, if you study English 20 minutes every day, that is consistency. If you study one day and then stop for a week, that is not consistency. Next word, fluency.
Fluency means being able to speak English smoothly, without too many pauses or struggles.
Wow. So fluency is not about being perfect?
Exactly. You can be fluent even if you make small mistakes.
Third word, practice.
Practice means doing something again and again to improve your skill.
You don't become a good speaker by only watching. You become better by practicing.
Yes, watching is easy, but practice is where the magic happens.
Next word, habit.
Habit means something you do automatically every day, like brushing your teeth.
So if English becomes your daily habit, you will improve without even thinking too much.
And last word, improve.
Improve means to become better than before.
So every small step you take in English helps you improve day by day.
Great job, everyone. These 5 words, consistency, fluency, practice, habit, and improve, are key to your English journey. All right, Julia, let's do a quick mini role play. Imagine I'm a student who wants to learn English quickly.
Oh, nice. I'm ready. Let's do it.
Julia, I really want to learn English fast, but I don't know what to do. Can you help me?
Of course! First, don't panic. You don't need to learn everything in one day. Just start with small steps.
Small steps? Like what?
Like speaking for 5 minutes every day, listening to English podcasts, and learning just 5 new words daily.
Oh, really? That sounds very simple.
Yes, simple is powerful. Many learners make it too complicated.
But what if I make mistakes when I speak?
Then you are learning. Mistakes are your best teacher.
Wow, I feel more confident already.
Good. And remember, the key is consistency. If you practice every day, your English will improve step by step.
Thank you so much, Julia. I think I can start today.
That's the spirit. Just start. Don't wait for perfect time.
Great advice. All right, everyone. It's time for a quick speaking challenge.
Yes, don't be shy. Just speak out loud, even if you're alone.
We have 3 simple questions for you. Try to answer in English.
Question 1. What do you do every day to learn English?
Take a pause and speak your answer out loud.
Question 2. What is your biggest challenge in learning English?
Think about it and try to answer in simple English.
Question 3. How can you improve your English in 2026?
You don't need perfect grammar, just speak clearly and confidently.
And remember, mistakes are totally okay.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing. You're improving every day.
All right, everyone, we're almost at the end of today's episode.
Yes! And I just want to say, learning English doesn't have to be stressful. It can actually be fun.
Exactly. If you enjoy the process, you will improve much faster.
And remember, even small progress is still progress. So don't stop.
Today, we talked about how to learn English quickly in 2026. Speaking daily, listening, thinking in English, and staying consistent.
Keep these ideas in your mind and try to use them every day.
And we believe in you. You can do it.
Yes! Step by step, you're becoming better every day.
Thank you so much for listening to the English Learning Podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.
Tell us, what is your favorite way to learn English quickly in 2026?
And keep practicing every single day. Even a little practice makes a big difference.
We'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay confident.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy English learning.